Hola mis amores, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some scrambled eggs with a little Latin flavor. These eggs will go great with the Dominican White Rice I taught you guys how to make in the previous video. Please check out the link below. Dale, let's start making the eggs. The ingredients needed for this recipe are eggs, paprika, garlic powder, and salt and pepper, green and red peppers, red onion, and a jalapeno pepper. For specific measurements, please read the description below. Then dice your peppers, onion, and jalapeno into small pieces so that they distribute evenly in every egg bite. The jalapeno is optional, but remember, it gives the egg a spicy finish, and they are also rich in vitamins C, A, K, and potassium. Go ahead and whisk the eggs with the 4 seasoning powders y dale un poquito de amor también para que salga un poquito más sabroso. Now we are ready to cook the eggs. Add some oil, just enough to coat the nonstick pan, and turn the stove on medium heat. Then add your bell peppers in first, followed by the jalapenos and lastly the onions. Remember, if we place the onions in first, they will burn before the peppers are cooked. I also added a dash of vinegar to the onions once they are in the pot. This is optional, but I personally love the acidity of the vinegar on the caramelized onions. It gives it an amazing, great flavor. Lastly, add the eggs evenly in the pan. Cook the eggs to the desired consistency. I personally love my eggs scrambled dry. This recipe is also perfect for a breakfast omelet. Just add the eggs and flip them instead of scrambling. Y listo para comer. Buen provecho! Make sure you tune into my next video where I'm going to show you guys how to make un pollito guisado. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. And don't forget, una barriga alta es un corazón contento.